don't know me. Know how I earn a living.
Cheap creep.
Want to prevent your boat from filling up with water like this? Well, I think I came up with a solution. All right, so to prevent this from happening where it's filling up with water all the time, I took and I purchased a drain plug system from Amazon, and it fits a piece of PVC because what we need to do is go through the seating area, the flotation area. Let me show you. So this is where I want the water to collect, is in that little channel there, and then drain out, but there is no hole there. And that's a solid piece. And then on the back, it smooths down, but you can see the spot right there. So I need to drill a hole and connect this. What I'm going to do is connect it to some, what is this, 1-inch, I think, PVC. And it fits in there pretty good. Glue it down real good, seal it, and run it through so so it drains to the back, and I have to do that on both sides. All right, I drilled it out, and I don't see any flotation foam. So maybe that's only on the larger models. I don't know. This is an LV10. Since there's no flotation material, I ditched the idea of using the PVC pipe. There's no reason to, and it's all fiberglass on the inside, and it's pretty watertight. Later on, if I do open up my seating area like a lot of people do and make it for storage, for dry storage and stuff like that, I could always run the tube later and you know, fiberglass over it so it stays completely dry in there. Just kind of like, you know, make a channel like a culvert or whatever, and then I can drain the water still the same method. So nixing the PVC for now. I've got both sides drilled. Also what I did too is I took with silicone on the inside, I kind of built a ramp up to this so all the water can come out, so it doesn't hold any water at all. And if you look, I put a hole on the other side. I can't really get it to focus for whatever reason. If I hold it right on there, there we go. So you can see that there's some material on the other side. See where it's cut off the top? But the cool thing is you can see there's a little bit of water. It can all drain now. There's the inside. You can see how dirty it gets. I mean, it only rained in here once and turned my white into, you know, yuck really quick. So when that dries, I'll probably scrub it down real good. But the hole, I took and I just ran a bunch of silicone around it. I know a lot of people like will say, oh, you should glass it and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I might later on. I might re-glass the hole, but I think the silicone will hold pretty good. I mean, you know, this is a project-free boat. We're not fancy. So it's kind of hard to see it, but in front of the hole, I have a ramp that I made out of silicone to gradually ramp up so the water can go to the hole really easy. So it's not holding any water at all. I did this on both sides too, of course. All right, well, that wraps up this project. Hopefully she doesn't sink, right? All right, so yeah, later on I've got some other projects, but pretty soon we're gonna get ready for the maiden voyage of our little boat. And if you like this drain plug that I used, please click that link below to purchase one from Amazon. Looks like a good high quality one. It's stainless. If it fits your boat, it should fit any boat really, any boat at all, but it's really good for the Livingston, obviously, like I have. All right, well, stay tuned until next time.